Thank you for the deeply informative discussion. So to close today's forum and share final reflection, we invite Mr. Zolbayar to the stage.
All right, so here we are. So when I first started organizing Mongolian investment forums, I had just two simple ideas. And first is Mongolia needs a consistent platform. So because to tell our story to the world. So consistency matters. So whatever happens in Mongolia, politics, events, we should go out there and meet the investors and tell our stories. So this year was a challenge for me because this time the government couldn't join us, but still I moved forward. Let's do it, because we can't just investors. We have to care about investors, investor relations. So that's why. That's also the culture I'm encouraging in Mongolia. Even the politicians and businessmen. So, secondly, I want more and more Mongolian companies, even government, to be more connected with the global market, and then doing more IPOs, bonds, and etc. But the positive thing is I'm seeing that there's a big shift in the mindset in Mongolia. Now the business owners are like more open to idea of the IPO or idea of having the foreign investor, shareholder in the company, or more open about doing the partnership with the foreign companies. So that's a good thing. So I'm seeing that in the next 10 to 15 years, we will see much of activities out of Mongolia, like M&A, bonds, IPOs. That's why I started CMM too. That's because that's my business. So, okay, so that's why we built this CMM platform. So we're on our CMM website. You can see all the information about the Mongolian listed companies, bonds, all the research, teasers. So we are doubling on our website to make it transparent to the investors. Because I met some investors in Hong Kong, this time in Singapore, there is a huge gap between the investors and Mongolia. So what's happening with your government? Or what's happened behind that deal? So that's what we're trying to fill that gap. So let me, because I have an interesting photo here. So yeah, you can read our reports on Mongolia, and also subscribe to our newsletters weekly, and you can stay updated on Mongolia. So also on our platform, we are adding the companies, projects that are seeking the investment, mining, energy, FIs. So everyone's asking what's next year. So it's consistent. We will do again in Singapore next year in November. We always focus on fixed income and debt side in Singapore. In London, we focus on equity side. In New York, we talk big stuff. So we invite government. So we invite all the big projects from Mongolia. So next year, we will do one in Shanghai. Because everyone is asking, Mongolians, why not China? Our main partner is China. Why are you not doing in China? So next year, we will do in Shanghai. So the 4 events is a lot, right? So yes, I don't know about Hong Kong, but I will let you know. Also, one more question the investors or the people in Hong Kong and Singapore are asking me this week is, have you seen that Netflix show? I was at the Singapore airport and I saw my passport and, fiscal Asia, So I think this show like promoted Mongolia better than us, better than anything, and also show how resilient Mongolian people are. So you will see, if you haven't watched it, you should watch it, and how you will see how Mongolians are very quick thinkers. Like, so yeah, so this is our ending. So thank you all of you for coming to our event, and I hope to see you next year.